Welcome to TaxBandits, an IRS-authorized, compliance-driven e-file solution. Form 5498 is an IRS information return used to report IRA contributions, rollover amounts, Roth IRA conversions, required minimum distributions, and the fair market value of certain retirement accounts. Financial institutions and trustees file this form with the IRS and furnish copies to participants for informational purposes. To begin filing Form 5498 in TaxBandits, click Start New, then select Form 5498 from the Retirement Forms section. TaxBandits supports filing for the current tax year as well as prior supported years. Choose the appropriate tax year and click File Form 5498. Start by selecting the business or trustee information. At the top left, you can either choose an existing business from your address book or click Add Business to enter a new payer or trustee record. Verify the EIN and address details before continuing. If applicable, check the box indicating that the business was terminated during the tax year. Next, move to the Participant section located below the business information. Click Select Participant from Address Book to choose an existing participant, or click Add Participant to enter a new participant's name and address details. This information is required to associate the IRA activity with the correct recipient. At the bottom of the Participant section, you'll find the account number field. This field is optional and may be used for internal account tracking. If left blank, the system may automatically generate a unique account number for the participant. On the right-hand side, begin completing the numbered boxes. In Box 1, enter the total IRA contributions made for the reporting year. In Box 2, enter any rollover contributions received into the IRA during the reporting year. In Box 3, enter the amount converted from a traditional IRA, SEP IRA, or simple IRA to a Roth IRA. In Box 4, enter any contributions that were recategorized during the reporting year. In Box 5, report the fair market value of the IRA account as of the applicable valuation date. In Box 6, enter any life insurance costs included in the account reporting requirements if applicable. Next, identify the IRA type associated with the account activity. Continue with additional contribution reporting. In Box 8, report SEP IRA contributions made during the reporting year. In Box 9, report simple IRA contributions made during the reporting year. In Box 10, report Roth IRA contributions made during the reporting year. For required minimum distribution reporting, check Box 11 if an RMD is required for the participant for the following year. In Box 12A, enter the RMD date if applicable. In Box 12B, enter the required minimum distribution amount. For postponed or late contribution reporting, in Box 13A, enter postponed contributions made for a federally declared disaster area or other IRS-approved postponement situations. In Box 13B, select the applicable tax year associated with the postponed contribution. In Box 13C, select the appropriate IRS code corresponding to the postponed contribution type. If required, provide the postponed contribution reason in the designated field below. For repayment reporting, in Box 14A, report qualified repayment options if applicable. In Box 14B, select the corresponding repayment code based on IRS reporting requirements. For specified account reporting, in Box 15A, enter the fair market value of certain specified accounts when required. In Box 15B, select the applicable IRS code or codes associated with the specified account reporting. Before continuing, review all participant details, IRA selections, and contribution boxes to ensure the information matches the participant's retirement account records and IRS reporting requirements. Once all required fields are completed, click Save and continue to proceed to the next step. After completing the form, you'll be taken to the Form Details page. Here you can view all created Form 5498 records. Use the View and Edit Forms option to review or make any necessary updates. You'll also have options to export draft forms as PDFs or CSV files and add supporting documents if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Continue to Form Distribution. Next, choose how you would like to distribute participant copies. TaxBandits provides multiple distribution options, including postal mailing and online access through the recipient portal. Select the option that best fits your workflow and compliance needs. After making your selection, click Continue to review forms. In the Review section, take a moment to verify your filing details. You can download draft copies of the form and view the consolidated filing report. The system will also run an internal audit check. If no issues are found, you will see a confirmation message indicating the forms are ready to proceed. Click Continue to Filing Summary. On the Filing Summary screen, you will see a summary of all Form 5498 records prepared for the filer. From here, you can view forms and reports, add additional forms if needed, and select forms to proceed with filing. Once ready, click Add to Cart or Add to Cart in Checkout to continue. After adding your forms to the cart, proceed through checkout to complete your filing. Once submitted, TaxBandits will handle the transmission to the IRS and provide status updates throughout the filing process. To complete your order, review and acknowledge the credit card usage authorization. Confirm that you are authorized to use the entered payment method and grant TaxBandits permission to process the charge. Once payment is successfully processed, your order will be finalized and the forms will be transmitted. Take the next step and start your Form 5498 filing with TaxBandits, making IRA contribution reporting simple, accurate, and efficient.